In this video, we're going to go through the first verse of the French national anthem, La Marseillaise. The song was written in 1792 in response to foreign invasions from Prussia and was originally called Chant de guerre pour l'armée du Rhin, War Song for the Rhine Army. It was later nicknamed La Marseillaise because it was sung in Paris by volunteer fighters coming from Marseille. We're going to break down the French so you can understand exactly what it means and how that meaning is constructed in French. We start with Allons enfants de la patrie. Literally, this is we go, children of the homeland. The form allons is the first person plural of the verb aller, meaning to go. It means we go, but is commonly used to mean let's go. Enfant means children. We get liaison between these first two words, so the final S of allons is pronounced as a voice sound before enfant. Allons enfants. De, of, la, the feminine definite article, patrie, homeland. Allons enfants de la patrie. Let's go, children of the homeland. Le jour de gloire est arrivé. The day of glory is arrived, literally. Le jour, the day, this is masculine in gender. De gloire, of glory, est, is, arrivé, arrived. The verb arriver takes être as its auxiliary, so that's why we have est arrivé or est arrivé and not a arrivé. In English, however, we would translate this as has arrived. We again get liaison here, so the final T of est is pronounced before arrivé. Est arrivé. Le jour de gloire est arrivé. The day of glory has arrived. Contre nous de la tyrannie, against us of the tyranny, literally. Contre, against, nous, us, de la tyrannie, of the tyranny. The word order is a bit confusing here because this last part actually goes with the next line. L'étendard sanglant est levé. The banner bloody is raised. L'étendard, the banner. The definite article le is here combined with étendard since the word begins with a vowel. Sanglant means bloody. The bloody banner actually goes with de la tyrannie. So this is the bloody banner of tyranny. Élevé is raised. So the bloody banner of tyranny is raised against us. This line then repeats. L'étendard sanglant est levé. Bear in mind that we get liaison between sanglant and est. This liaison wouldn't normally be pronounced in modern spoken French, but is definitely present in the song. L'étendard sanglant est levé. Entendez-vous dans les campagnes? Hear you all in the countryside. Literally. Entendez is the second person plural of the verb entendre, to hear. Vous is you, plural. This is the beginning of a question, so in English we can translate this as, do you all hear? Dans, in, les campagnes, the countryside. This is actually plural in French, and in addition to countryside, the word campagne is also used to mean military campaign, so that undertone is very present here. Entendez-vous dans les campagnes? Do you hear in the countryside? Mugir ces féroces soldats. To bellow these ferocious soldiers. Mugir means to bellow or howl. Ces, these, in the masculine form. Féroce, ferocious or fierce, here in the masculine plural to agree with soldats, soldiers. Altogether, entendez-vous dans les campagnes mugir ces féroces soldats? Do you hear these fierce soldiers howling in the countryside? Pay attention as well to the end of féroce. Normally, this is pronounced just féroce, but in the song, you actually have to pronounce the ending. This is common in French poetry, even though these endings are not pronounced in speech. So we get a little extra vowel on the end of féroce. Féroces soldats. Ils viennent jusque dans vos bras. They come as far as into your arms. Ils, they, masculine plural, referring to the soldiers. Viennent, come. This is the third person plural of venir, to come. Jusque, as far as or to. Dans, into. Vos, your. This is the masculine plural form of the possessive agreeing with bras, arms. Ils viennent jusque dans vos bras. They come right into your arms. Égorgez vos fils, vos compagnes. To cut the throats of your sons, your companions. Égorger means to cut the throat. La gorge means the throat in French. Vos fils, your sons. Vos compagnes, your companions. Notice that this is compagne and not compagne that we had before. It echoes the sound of the previous word, but with the O instead of A, this is a different word itself. Pay attention as well to the difference in pronunciation of the nasal vowels en and on. Here, the word is traditionally understood to mean your wives or your women. Ils viennent jusque dans vos bras, égorger vos fils, vos compagnes. They come right into your arms to slit the throats of your sons and your women. This is the first verse of the anthem. Listen to the text again all the way through. Allons enfants de la patrie, le jour de gloire est arrivé. Contre nous de la tyrannie, l'étendard sanglant est levé. Entendez-vous dans les campagnes mugir ces féroces soldats. Ils viennent jusque dans vos bras. Égorgez vos fils, vos compagnes. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and check out Linguisticator.com for our full courses in French and other languages.